Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore EV appointment scheduling with YourMechanic, beginner guide step by step clearly. To restore EV appointment scheduling with YourMechanic, start by visiting the YourMechanic website. Once there, log into your account using your email and password. After logging in, navigate to the dashboard where your appointments are displayed. Look for the Manage Appointments section on the dashboard. Click on the Schedule Appointment button to begin the restoration process. Select Electric Vehicle from the list of services available. Choose the specific EV service you need from the drop-down menu. Enter your vehicle details, including make, model, and year. Input your zip code to help locate a nearby mechanic. Select a date and time that works for you from the available slots. Review your appointment details for accuracy. If everything looks correct, click on the Confirm Appointment button. Wait for a confirmation email that will outline the details of your restored appointment. If you need to make changes, return to the Manage Appointments section. Locate your scheduled appointment and click on the Edit option. Make any necessary adjustments and confirm the changes. To cancel an appointment, click on the Cancel button next to the scheduled time. Always check your email for updates or changes regarding your EV service appointment. By following these steps, you'll easily restore your EV appointment scheduling with YourMechanic. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.